Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to another beautiful day in Houston, Texas. I think today is a good day. I did my little walk around the block to kind of check and make sure all the hazards, if there were any, were taken care of. So that's a good thing. Still got to drive real careful though, because you know it is a construction area, so always want to be careful when driving, regardless. Anyways, first car we're going to take out is the Lexus. I think I'm going to try and do a couple pictures with it. I did find a spot. I'm not sure if it's going to be like super busy or not, so you know, I want to make sure that the car is there, and I'm trying to get a nice clear view with no other cars in the way or people, so we can get a nice little shot for Instagram. Then I think we're going to take out the RCF. I think I only have like 300 miles on this car, so definitely want to get that taken care of. I think we're going to go ahead and do a little bit of light modding, probably just do the weather floor mats today, and if I have time, I'll do the door puddle lights as well. I got to make sure I get the pry tools out for that. And then if we have time, and I hope we do, I'm planning on having time, is to take the WRX out, just take it out for a nice little drive, put some miles on it for the brakes, just to kind of break them in and enjoy it. These brakes, I got to tell you again, these are just excellent brakes. They do squeal, so you might hear some squealing. Tons of brake dust too. Forgot to mention that in the previous video. There is a lot of brake dust. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there is definitely, I mean, you see those black marks, that's brake dust. That's just from driving twice, about 100 miles, and the wheels are already pretty filthy. They were shiny before. I have an IG post with them shiny. They are now the matte black. So anyways, oh yeah, just for a recommendation, if you guys end up getting black wheels, get matte black. It was actually suggested almost 10 years ago when I got my HREs for the GS350 to get matte black because of the brake dust, and I really appreciate the salesperson telling me that, because it really truly pays off. You know, even with brake dust on them, they still look pretty much clean. And same with the RCF track edition. They were pretty smart. Lexus did it too. They did a matte black you know, wheel. Oh, so beautiful, man, these BBSs. The offset on the rears are actually quite nice. It isn't flush, of course, as you can tell. It definitely is tucked into the inside of the fender, but I'm okay with that. I'm not trying to modify this car too much. I like the suspension geometry the way it is. Probably just do some chassis bracing, stuff like that, but you guys will see. I got pretty much most of the parts in. Got the puppies all ready to go, and listen to a little bit of music, and yeah, pretty much that's it. Oh, one other thing, the WRX cannot forget to torque those wheels. I gotta make sure I remember that. Let me put this torque thing over here just so I don't forget. Put it right here at the door. Anyways, let's take the GS out, look for a spot, take some pics for IG, and I'll catch you guys there. Alright guys, well, we're here. It doesn't look too bad. There's actually a lot more, not that many people, which is good. But if you want to check it out, it's actually not that bad for something in Houston. It doesn't looks pretty nice. I actually like it. It has a nice natural feel to it. Kind of reminds me of California, like San Diego. You know, I actually love Los Angeles. So I hope I can move there one day. So that's part of my mission too, as well. Definitely a resolution I made a long time ago was to move to California. I'd probably also keep my place in Houston. But let's see if we can get some pictures here. I'm gonna snap some photos. All right, guys. Well, I just finished taking some photos. I just wanted to come out here too and just check out the place. I'd probably come here, maybe try in the morning sometime. You get a better lighting, I think. But it's really nice out here. Gonna head back and take out the RCF. Just got back. Gonna take out the RCF right here. I didn't park the GS350 just yet in the garage. I am going to do the, I guess, minor modifications. I got the all-weather floor mat right there, and you know, I got the puddle lamps. I'm going to do those right now. I think I should be able to do it. I think I have enough space on both sides to do it without having to back the car up, at least for the fronts and the puddle lights, and then I'll just do the rear seat cushions. I'm sorry, the rear seat mats when I have the car backed out. If you guys are curious, just wanted to show you. These are the LED projection puddle ones, and here is the RCF Track Edition one. Definitely they upgraded to LED, which is nice. You can tell, you can see the LED on the, I guess the chipboard or whatever it's called. And here's the other one, the puddle light. That is LED, of course, too. But if you look at it, it's actually pretty complex looking. I don't know, there's a huge chipboard right there and all this other stuff, so whatever. Yeah, it's pretty expensive. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but it definitely costs a lot more. Hopefully you guys can see. Excellent. So here's the tool. Let's see here. There we go. Just pry from the outside and it comes right out. And then let me go get the, oh, I have it right here. Here's the passenger side part for the puddle lamp. Same one I put in my GS. So you can get them in America. Luckily they still make them, no problem. So that's always awesome. This is a really cool mod. Definitely one of my favorites. I love OEM plus mods. I went plugged right in. And shine the F Sport on the floor. So you definitely want to just kind of reverse it in. Let me push it in just a little bit before I make sure it doesn't. Ah, there he goes. Boom, and it's in. You want to take a look at it? Oof. All right. Well, everything is installed. I don't know if you can see the F logo. There you go, right there. That's done. Here's the rear seat. All-weather floor mat. I don't know if that's ever going to see any use. I don't let my dogs ride in this car. This is a, non-dog car. I like to keep it as pristine as possible. And here's the front seat. Damn, you know, I should update that light bulb. I'll take a look into that eventually. But here is the all-weather floor mat. I like how it says RCF. It's real cool looking. And I did decide to forego the illuminated door sills, mainly because the illuminated ones, they just say Lexus. I have those on my GS. They're pretty cool, but you know, it doesn't say F, which is the coolest by far. Now, if they lit up blue and said RCF or Lexus F, I would get them immediately. But anyways, here are the old mats. Something I also wanted to mention was I did get some driving gloves. I do have an Alcantara steering wheel, and this is the brand. Now, I did have a hard time figuring out what was a good brand to use, but I decided to go with that brand because I looked up online. I just kept searching for Lexus driving gloves because that's what I really wanted, was Lexus branded driving gloves. So I wanted something quality that Lexus trusted and made. And fortunately, I did find some. They weren't for sale though. They are a corporate gift only. So I don't know. You have to get in the mail somehow. I guess getting an RCF track edition didn't really garner enough attention from the dealership to get corporate to send something. I'm gonna try out these gloves for the first time. We're really excited about that as well. And then here's the old carpet pads and the old courtesy lights. Anyways, I'm gonna take the Lexus RCF out now just for a quick drive, put some miles on it. And then if I have time, definitely want to take the WRX out. Let's see, do I have enough time? I should have enough time. Shouldn't be a big deal. All right, guys. Well, RCF, just took it out, came back in. I'm in my house now, just kind of chilling. I came to pick up the dogs because I am going to take the WRX out. Typically I go, during the week. I grab a car, just take it out, maybe in the morning or afternoon. I think I'm going to start doing that more often once, I guess, the construction starts clearing up. Probably I don't know, maybe I'm guessing 6-7 months from now. Yeah, I can't. It's just exciting, just a thrill to be able to drive cars. Growing up, I really was just saving up and investing that money, just to kind of, I just felt like it was important to do that. And now I'm able to enjoy some of the fruits. I still want more cars, obviously, but anyways, 2024 is going to be a great year. I hope everyone's enjoying the year so far, and definitely we will continue videos, vlogs, and everything. But that's pretty much it for today. And I just want to thank you guys for tuning in, and have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.